In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Meet for online classes, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you're a student joining classes or a teacher hosting them, this guide will help you get started with confidence. First, open any web browser and go to meet.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. If your school or institution has provided you with an account, it's best to use that one so everything works smoothly. If you're a teacher and want to start a class, click on New Meeting on the Google Meet homepage. You can choose to start an instant meeting if the class is happening right away. Once the meeting opens, copy the meeting link and share it with your students so they can join. If you prefer to plan ahead, you can schedule the class using Google Calendar. From the New Meeting option, choose to Schedule in Google Calendar. Create a new event, add the class time and participants, and make sure Google Meet video conferencing is added. Save the event and send the invitation link to your students. For students, joining a class is very easy. Just click the meeting link shared by your teacher or go to meet.google.com and enter the meeting code. Before joining, check your microphone and camera, then click Join Now. Once you're in the class, you'll see several useful tools. You can mute or unmute your mic, turn your camera on or off, and use the chat box to send messages or questions. If you want to speak without interrupting, use the Raise Hand option. Teachers can also share their screen to show slides, documents, or videos, and in some cases, classes may be recorded for later viewing. To have a smooth online class experience, make sure your internet connection is stable, keep your microphone muted when you're not speaking, and stay attentive during the session. And that's how you use Google Meet for online classes. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful.